Ivy here. Today we're diving into how you can use AI to optimize your morning routine for a more productive day. Imagine starting your day with a clear plan, knowing exactly what needs to be done and when. AI can help you analyze your habits, suggest improvements, and streamline your morning tasks. From planning your breakfast to organizing your schedule and setting reminders, AI can transform your mornings into a time of productivity and calm. By using AI, you can make your mornings more efficient and less stressful, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. Let's break it down. First, think about your current morning routine. Do you often feel rushed or forget important tasks? AI can step in to help. With AI-powered apps, you can track your sleep patterns to ensure you're getting enough rest. A good night's sleep is crucial for a productive day. Once you're up, AI can suggest the best breakfast options based on your dietary needs and goals, ensuring you start your day with the right fuel. Next, consider your schedule. AI can help you prioritize tasks by analyzing your calendar and suggesting the most efficient order to tackle them. This way, you can focus on what's important without feeling overwhelmed. AI can also set reminders for appointments or deadlines, so nothing slips through the cracks. Don't forget about your commute. AI can provide real-time traffic updates and suggest the best routes to avoid delays, giving you more control over your time. If you use public transport, AI can alert you to any changes or delays, helping you plan accordingly. By incorporating AI into your morning routine, you can reduce stress and increase productivity. It's all about making small adjustments that lead to big improvements. Try integrating 1 or 2 AI tools into your routine and see how it transforms your mornings. Tomorrow, we'll use AI to create a simple plan for a successful decluttering session.